Hi, welcome to Distracker channel. So, guys, today we discuss topic about that how we can activate Google Analytics option. This will be very comfortable. I can give the steps. First of all, this website I can activate Google Analytics option. What is the purpose of Google Analytics? We can checking for website live traffic, regular traffic, and weekly traffic, monthly traffic, and checking purpose. And any WordPress website, we have using lot of plugins here. We have two options are there, with the plugin and without plugin. The code will be inserted with plugin and without plugin. With the plugin, we can option using for insert header and footer. Insert header and footer. Or else go to appearance, selecting for theme editor option. We can use it for two options. With the plugin and without plugin, we can use the code. First of all, we can go to steps, go to Google Analytics, click for admin, select your create account. You can selecting for IOM Academy. So what are the website name? Same use here. Select option. So Google Analytics, we have give the two features. First of all, click for next in this IO Academy. Select your time zone. What is the major will be? Time zone will be important. So we can selecting for Indian rupees. Show advanced setup. Here we have two options. Are looking for universal Google Analytics property or GA4 property. So they're newly coming for option. We have two will be required. Select the first option. Or else we can selecting for this option. When selecting this website link, now click for next. It is going to your code option. After clicking next option, there will be universal Google Analytics property I'm selecting here. Which option? Universal Google Analytics property. Here one question is there. So what is a GA4 and universally analytics property? First of all, we can activate Google Analytics property. Click for next. They go to next screen will be here. So when selecting this option, it will be universal property option will be here. You can go to tracking info, select the tracking code. We have option will be there. This is the universal tracking code option. Just copy. In this, we can go to the WordPress dashboard. I can show the two options. One is called GA4 property. Second will be universal one. So right now, first one I'm activate from the universal. Go to appearance, theme editor. If you're not showing for theme editor in your WordPress, we can use the one plugin name is called insert header and footer plugin. In this right side column, we can selecting for footer.php. We can go to footer.php where exactly body will be here. Select it and scroll down, update the file. It is work properly or not? How to know this? Refresh your website. Just you can scroll down, select option, real time, click for overview option. Here, they can show for your live traffic option. If it is open for the mobile version or desktop version, what are where you can open the exact version, you can show to customer will be in a particular right now users. So we can check from here. So where it is exactly we can use this in the particular option. Code active, refresh. It is active or inactive stage. Suppose it will be not showing for your right now traffic. Simple we can do option will be go to admin, selecting for tracking info, tracking code. Here the ID will be shown to the one year tracking ID. Copy this tracking ID, Control U, paste Control F, Control V. So it will not showing for your particular option. So that means you can check from here, is there. So what we can do for, we can change in for header.php. When his code is not working properly, we can utilize this code will be header.php. Update your particular file. Refresh, Control F. So code will be pasted. So once we'll be refreshing the content, you will go to real time. We need to know this active or inactive stage. We need to showing properly right now user or mobile user, desktop user, anything. When you can show in the customers in the particular page, so easily we can know about the code accurately properly onto the Google Analytics option. So right now we are refreshing this page here. Right now mobile user will be 1. The coming will be here in this. After this one, we can go to this particular page about. Select this feature. You can check it out option. Refresh. So they can show for location will be coming from traffic will be mobile and desktop. Everything you can check from here also. So we can spending for time. Course. First of all, check for Control U, Control F. Yeah, the code is available for each and every page. So you can go to the contact us. So right now, so it will be showing for one by one what are the pages visible by desktop and mobile. They can show for real time on a particular option. So they will be take some time to we can show to the particular option for the customers. IOM, pardon me. So I can open your website pages. Click with them. Now we check desktop and mobile. Here, they coming from which page? The home page will be coming from where? Desktop. Location we can check from easily will be find out. Location will be India. Is a particular option will be there. So these all option will give the particular customers. You can show to the real time the code is active or inactive state. This will be universal option. Next, GA4. How we can activate GA4? Go to admin option. We have option name is called create property, not add account. Create property in this selecting IOM GA4 Google Analytics 4 and selecting for your time zone. India. Selecting your currency. So advanced option. Select it. Here. Create both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Campaign. So here I'm not looking for create universal analytic property. Next, we can selecting for industry. Create. Here we can go to option will be tracking code will be here, previous one. This will be data stream will be shown to the particular customers. In this, we have selecting for web option. Here we can adding once again your website link. This will be completely different for GA4. Select here. Website name, create stream. This will be completely different for the create stream option. After this one, we can generate one code. The code will be here. Copy this code. This code right now I can place for one of the plugin is called insert header and footer plugin. Which plugin? Insert header and footer plugin. When you install this plugin, you can go to setting. This will be plugin will be here. This plugin we can install by the footer option or header option. Anything will be possible. So here is a paste. Now you can refresh. When refresh this option, go to this. Nothing will be happen. Just copy the link. It is enabled or not, how to check. Control V here. The code will be as it is entered by the your particular website. So check this option, close, report. Is a complete GA4 will be complete will be difference. Here will be Control U, Control F, Control U. You can check it out. Refresh. Refresh. The code will be properly inside your particular website. This code we can check for each and every page. Why? Because we can insert by using plugin option. So if you have doubts, this will be here. So everything will be showing will be in this particular option. Set for real time. Here also same. Real time when we can use a particular any website, real time will be common. But GA4 and universal property little bit different. So new user can understand this one little bit tough for GA4. But when you understand everything, very clear for the particular users. Real time will be common, acquisition overview common. There will be so is only for one day. They not give the proper report. User acquisition, traffic acquisition, engagement overview, and conversion is all. Real time always we can find out here that is always nothing but you can check the live traffic purpose where the user coming from your website traffic. So this will be how to open. Go to admin panel. One is GA4, one will be universal. Account will be only one, that is IOM Academy option. So in Google Analytics, we have two variant. We can apply for the two option. For simple option, universal, lot of difference will be there. Universal one. This will be tracking code. But coming to GA4, there is a complete different. We can go to data stream, create the stream option, and everything will be click the information will be here. iOS, Android, web, what are the stream you can add? You can add the stream will be. So what are the data import and property settings and setup assistance. So Google Ads linking, Ads Manager linking. So different option, data deletion request, property change history, attribute settings. So different one. But in this one, we can use it only for data stream. And this here will be change option will be there. Account setting, account access, management. If you give any one user, you can give access. Simple we can access will be account access management option. This we can give access for anyone to access your particular Google Analytics account for another Gmail without sharing login and password. So these are option will be very comfortable. But universal Google Analytics property maybe long term will be not run. See this one. Explore what the new with the Google Analytics. Create Google Analytics 4 property from the universal analytics property. Don't worry, your original won't go away. So this is a very, very important. This option will be given by the Let's Go. So this will be about GA4 assistance. I want to create new GA4 nothing but Google Analytics for property. Get started here. When click here, enable it. We can go to the property. So we already created one. So no need to worry about this option. So we can have once again create the property. You can check it out. See your GA4 property. Already you're connected with the GFO property done with the property ID option. So this is very, very important to set up the Google Analytics a WordPress website with a plugin and a without plugin option. Any further queries, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will support how we can set up each and every option on the WordPress Google Analytics setup. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.